Hey guys, I hope you all are fine at your homes. So, today I have brought a lecture of volume strength of H2O2. As you know, it is a quite interesting chapter as well of hydrogen chapter chemistry, inorganic chemistry, class 11, and it is a quite scoring chapter because one question might come in the NEET 2 2020 exam this year also. So I am Yash, and I am going to make sure that you will get this topic quite easy. So first of all, how questions from this topic come? If I talk about NEET, then it is a previous year question that is pretty famous. That what does 20 volume of H2O2 means? So it means that 1 liter H2O2 contains 20 liters of oxygen. Or I can also say 1 milliliter of H2O2 contains 20 milliliter of oxygen. Or I can also say 1 decimeter cube, because 1 liter is good. 1 decimeter cube H2O2 contains 20 decimeter cube of O2. Now we have to find strength of this 20 volume of H2O2. So I have written this down before this, so it will be easier for you to understand. Now we will first understand the decomposition of H2O2. It will decompose to give H2 and O2 while balancing. I will balance out H2O2 by writing 2 before it and by writing 2 before H2O also. Now 1 mole of H2O2 means 34 grams, and 2 moles will mean 2 into 34, which is equal to 68 grams. And O2 is here 1 mole even after balancing, so I can say that 68 grams or 2 moles of H2O2 give 1 mole of O2. So I can write 68 gram H2O2 gives 22.4 liter oxygen. It is quite easier if you will practice this. Now 1 liter of O2, 22.4 will go down. It will be 68 upon 22.4. Now we have in question 20 liters of O2. 20 liters will give 68 upon 22.4 into 20. I haven't used calculator for this because I don't think such a need for doing such simple calculation. So it will be approx. And my answer came 60.7. So 20 liters of O2 gives 60.7. Now I have to find. See, why I did this calculation, because 20 liters give 1 liter H2O2, but we know that strength is equal to molecular mass of H2O2 upon its volume, 1 liter. So molecular mass I have to calculate like this, and I calculated strength is equal to I'm sorry for this, because here mass will come. See, it's my first video, so I was very quite nervous while delivering this. So mass of H2O, that's 60.7 upon 1 liter. 1 liter I can 1000 ml, because gram per milliliter into my 100 for its percent. So it will come 6.07%. Now that question that come in NEET J equation, what is the molarity of that solution? So it is direct formula. When you find strength divided by 11.2, will get molarity, and normality is equal to molarity in one factor, H2O2. See, H2O2 has how many acidic hydrogen? Acidic hydrogen are those which are connected to oxygen. So it has 2 acidic hydrogen. So its n factor or its basicity will be 2, and I will write as molarity is 6.07 to 11.2 into 2. I haven't calculated this, I did the rough calculation and will come this. You can calculate this. Now my homework question to you is to do calculation for 30 volume of H2O2 and do whole this jazz molarity non-material strength. Okay, have a nice day guys.